How to fix message does not exist on Telegram app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix Telegram message does not exist. So if you encounter the message does not exist error on Telegram, you could try clearing the Telegram cache and data. Now ensuring that you have a stable internet connection as well at the same time, and update the app to the latest version. So to it, you have to go ahead and make sure to long press the Telegram app and then tap on the I button or the app info and go to storage and cache. Here you want to click on clear cache. Now if you clear your storage, this is going to actually delete it permanently. So if you're sure about it, then only you can go with this procedure. And likewise, after which, what you also want to do is check for an update, right? So go to the Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Telegram. When you see update, or if you see update, you just go and press on it and try login into your account after completely updating your app. That can be able to fix your issue all at once. However, you could also restart your device. Sometimes the issue might not be on the application, but it might be the device itself. So you could go and try login, you could go and try restarting your device. That should be able to fix your issue all at once. If that is not the case, sometimes battery optimization feature can interfere with Telegram's functionality as well. So you could always disable battery saver mode on the battery optimization for Telegram to see if it is resolved or not. So you could actually go ahead and do this or fix this method by going to the settings, and you could go to this battery and make sure that any restrictions are there or not. So this can be able to fix it, or else you could also go ahead and contact the support team. So for that, you want to go to Telegram support, and here you will be able to find the official link for the support center. You go ahead and press on it. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So this is the way you can fix message does not exist on the Telegram app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.